Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and doing well. So in today's video, I will show you friends beautiful ice cream sticks crafts ideas. So I hope friends enjoy the video. So viewers, let's start today. My first idea. So viewers, butterfly crafts. Today we will make a butterfly. Take ice cream sticks, close them in X shape. Now paint them like wings. Add paper or button for decoration. Let it dry. Your butterfly craft is ready. Flower crafts. Let's make a flower craft. Take ice cream sticks, arrange them in circle shapes. Stick all sticks in center. Now paint them in bright color. Add a button in center. Let it dry. Your flower is ready. And friends, so my next idea is friends. And viewers, my next idea is friends. Birdhouse crafts. We will make a birdhouse. First make a box shape with sticks. Now add a small roof. Make a small holes for birds. Sticks everything carefully. Let it dry. Your birdhouse is ready. And rainbow wall decoration. And friends, so my next I use rainbow wall decoration. So viewers, and dear friends, let's make a rainbow wall decoration. Take ice cream sticks, paint them in rainbow color. Now arrange them in shapes. Stick them on cardboard. Have a thread on top to hang it. Let it dry. Your rainbow decor is ready. And dear friends, so here's my next idea. I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates. Viewers, so Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video. Take care and Khuda Hafiz.